Bang! Oh! That was a big hit. What are you over here doing? What am I doing? Nothing. I was just getting my head on the wall like this. Bang! And I just did it again. Dude, you gonna hurt yourself. You better stop that. Okay, fine, I'll stop. Huh? What's going on? What? Bzzz. It's a beehive. Bzzz. That's where all the bees live. Duh! I get that. Bzzz. Look at that bee right there. Well, that bee got hurt. Come on, go inside and see what's going on. How are we gonna get up there? Wait, you wanna get that beehive down? Yeah, I always wanted to see what was inside a beehive. Maybe bees and honey, don't you get it? Nah, I still wanna see what's going on up there. Get the whole gang. Alright, okay, why you invite us again? To get up in that beehive. Are you crazy? We're not going up there. Why? Because those bees might sting us. Man, stop being so scaredy cats. We're not scaredy cats. Come on then. I don't wanna go up there though. Come on. Get up. We're too high up! Get the bees! But we're too high! Bang! Get off me! Get off me! Get off me! Get off me! Wait a minute! I know what you can do. What you got? Mama? Of course you do. Step on! Ow! Step on! Ow! Woo! We need that beehive down. I know. How about you throw me? Good idea. Let's throw you. All right. Whee! Ow! Bang! Oh, my neck. What did you say? All right, Kumo, get that beehive. Yeah! Ow! Oh, my face. Oh, I got it, guys. I got it. Good job, Kumo. Don't let it go. I gonna let it go. All right, see what's in there. All right. I see some. What? Did I say get on my beehive? Bang! Oh! Squeeze! Ew! Ooh! We're not giving up, you guys! We're gonna get that beehive! Yeah! Beehive! 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 Yeah! Uh-oh! Boosh!